Hey guys, it's Lily with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to be doing a really simple brass earring tutorial. I love our brass components. They're super versatile and I like to mix and match them. We currently carry the brass in two different finishes. We have a raw brass, which is going to tarnish over time, and now we have a clear coated non-tarnished brass. Our brass components typically come in packs of 6, so you'll have 3 pairs of everything. But we've mixed in some of our favorite pieces into kits where you're going to get 2 of each component. We have a raw brass kit, a large coated brass kit, and a small coated brass kit. Today I'm going to be working with the small coated brass kit to show you how to open and close jump rings, how to open and close ear wire components, and how to snap those brass pieces on. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to open up this ear wire. I'm going to use these chain nose pliers, which are great for opening up the ear wire because they have a flat inside, which is going to help you just grab a hold of that loop. You want to very gently pull that loop up wide enough that you can slide the brass components on there. Be sure to be opening those loops from side to side rather than pulling it backwards because you don't want to snap that loop off of your ear wire. Then I'm going to grab this brass component and slide it on to the open end of that ring. And then we need to close that off so that your components don't fall off of the ear wire. Again, just gently push it back. These brass components are super quick and easy and are great for making earrings. Next, I'm going to show you how to mix and match these components, and I'm going to need to use some jump rings to do that. To open up your jump ring, you're going to need 2 pair of pliers. I'm going to use my chain nose and some round nose pliers. Grab one end of your jump ring with your pliers and take your other pair to pinch onto the other end. Then gently pull them apart so that your jump ring is open. And then we just have to pick out which components to use. I'll use this moon and attach it to a hoop. I'm going to pick up my jump ring here, slide the hoop on, and then I'll attach the moon. And then we just need to grab our other pair of pliers to gently close up that jump ring. Pinch both ends and then gently close them. When you're closing, give it a couple wiggles back and forth so you know your jump ring is closing flush and you won't lose any components. You can finish off this earring by attaching it to an ear wire. Just open it up and then slide the hoop on. And then we just need to close our ear wire. That could be a finished earring, or we can add even more to it. Let's open up another jump ring. Just pinch either side and gently pull it apart. Then we'll slide our moon onto the jump ring. attach a hoop, and then close that jump ring off by grabbing either end and gently wiggling it back and forth. For this one, I'm going to add another component. We'll open up our jump ring, slide on our brass components, and then close that jump ring again by just gently wiggling it back and forth until the opening is flush. These brass pieces are super versatile and you can layer them in a variety of ways. We also like to mix and match our brass with some of the other pieces that we carry. On the bottom, we've layered some brass with our laser cut wood components. We've also used the brass with some of our enameled brass. We carry a variety of gemstone bezels. These are going to come in a bunch of different gemstones in different shapes and sizes. I love to mix our tiny gemstone rounds and crystal rondelles for a colorful pair of earrings. You attach these by wrapping wire around. And our brass pairs super well with our Tibetan beads because they've got some gold accents in them. We have a lot of fun mixing and matching our brass components, and we'd love to see what you can come up with. You can find all of these products at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks for joining us.